Speaker, I yield 2 minutes to the gentleman from Virginia, Mr. Goodlatte, who is also chairman of the Intellectual Property and Competition Subcommittee of the Judiciary Committee.
Gentleman from Virginia is recognized for 2 minutes.
I thank the chairman for yielding. Madam Speaker, I rise in strong support of this legislation which repeals the sweeping health care reform law rammed through Congress last year. This new law amounts to a big government takeover of our health care system, one that will lead to fewer choices, higher prices, and rationed care. It creates more than 150 new government agencies and programs at a cost of well over $1.2 trillion. It includes over $560 billion in devastating new tax increases and cuts Medicare by over $500 billion. Americans are frustrated by rising health care costs. We must repeal the new health care law that kills jobs, raises taxes, threatens seniors' access to care, will cause millions of people to lose the coverage they have and like, and increases the cost of health care coverage. Then we must replace it with common sense reforms that lower health care costs and empower patients. For those who argue that somehow this is going to save the taxpayers' money, think of the mandates that are not covered by the federal government. Think of the fact that it is not credible that at a time when senior citizens, baby boomers, are going to retire in unprecedented numbers to take over $500 billion out of the Medicare program, and think of the jobs that are already being lost because the taxes on this are already being put into place. Yet the benefits don't occur for 4 years. That legislation was smoke and mirrors. This legislation repeals it. We should support it and then start anew on common sense reforms. I yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields back. Gentleman from Michigan.
Madam Speaker, I'm pleased to